Here is the quick simple take before you buy. What's up everyone, today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you tired of fumbling for your keys every time you come home? Well, I've got the solution for you, and it's called the Schlage Electronic Keypad Lock. This premium lock is a game changer, offering keyless convenience and top-notch security. With the Schlage Electronic Keypad Lock, you can use 2 pre-programmed codes right out of the box and assign up to 19 codes for trusted friends and family, giving you peace of mind and flexibility. The innovative design features a flex locking system, allowing you to switch between unlocked and automatic relocking modes with a simple interior switch and exit by just turning the door handle. The high-quality metal construction provides a solid feel and a Grade 2 AAA rating, offering trusted security and durability. Many customers have purchased and reviewed this product, and it's clear why it's so well reviewed. The secure keypad access features durable, silicone-coated numbers that illuminate when pressed, making it easy to enter your code in the dark. The lock is also battery-powered, with a dedicated low battery indicator, so you'll never get locked out, and you can get up to 2 years of battery life with typical use. I've used this lock on my front door, and it's been a huge time saver, especially on days when my hands are full. The sound of the lock clicking into place is reassuring, and the smooth feel of the handle is a nice touch. Whether you're a homeowner or a business owner, this lock is a great choice, offering convenience, security, and durability. So why not give the Schlage Electronic Keypad Lock a try, and experience the freedom of keyless entry for yourself? If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.